Hi everyone, this is Terry at terryscraftroom.com. Today we're going to use the Gilded Leafing Flakes, and I'm going to show you how, and I'm going to make this panel, the background, for this card, and then in another video I'm going to make this card and we'll have the two linked together. So check down in the description box and you'll see the link for if you're watching the video for the Gilded Leafing Flakes, the video for the card and how to make the card will be, the link will be down in the description box. So let's get started. So I have a piece of card. This is soft seafoam cardstock, and what I've done is I've taken 1/8 inch, and I've only put it on 3 sides. I'll put it on the 4th side here in a second. But this is 1/8 inch tape, and I've got it on 3 sides. I've got to pull back because I want good coverage. So I want to pull back my corner a little bit because I want this to go all the way to the corner. And this might be easier to see if I put this on a piece of black cardstock. There, you can probably see that better now. Yeah. And I'm just running it right along the edge of my cardstock. And then we'll clip this off. Okay. So we've got our tape on all 4 sides. Now if you look at this card, I also have the background embossed. So this is where we're going to emboss it before we do the Gilded Leafing Flakes. So I'm going to go emboss it and I'll be right back. So we're using the Painted Texture embossing folder, and you want to emboss it after you get your tape on, because if you emboss it before you get your tape on, then the tape won't stick in all these little nooks and crannies. Okay, and then you won't be able to get your nice gilded look. So put the tape on first, emboss it before you take any of the release paper off. You see that I still have the release paper on it. Now I've got my Gilded Leafing Flakes. I poured some of them out into, and I hope you're going to be able to see this. It's in a little box. Actually, it's kind of about the size of a shoebox. The reason for that is these things are flyaway. So this is easier for me to work with. When I'm working with these, they don't get all over my craft room and my desk and stuff. So I'm going to try and keep this on camera here. Okay, so the other thing you will need is a stiff bristle brush. I use this is a stencil brush, an old stencil brush that I have. I've had it for years. Don't ask me where I got it or when I got it. So I'm going to take off the paper for one of the sides, and I'm only doing one side at a time, and then I'm just going to take it and put it down into the flakes and let it pick it up. Then I'm going to, hope you can see this, I use the side of my bin, and then I'm going to take my paintbrush and I'm kind of smushing the flakes into the tape. And then kind of polishing it as I go and pulling excess off as well. See that? We'll do another one here. Okay, and then send it down into the flakes. And even though I pick up that many flakes, you'll see that I brush most of it off. Like that. And then we'll just lean it up against a hard surface and kind of polish it so that any excess gets taken off. There's a piece there that doesn't want to come off. There. And there's side number 2. We'll do nice side number 3. And it doesn't matter if you pick up the big flakes or these little dust particles down here in the bottom. They all work just as well as the other. Side number 3. And I've tried it with a softer brush and it just doesn't shine up as well, and it doesn't take off the excess flakes as well. So a fairly stiff bristle brush for me works the best. And if when you pick up flakes you have void areas like right here, just brush the flakes, the excess flakes, over that area and it'll fill in. Because remember, you put the tape on underneath it, so and then make sure you don't have anything hanging off the sides here. And there's our background piece for our card. Pretty cool, huh? I hope you've enjoyed this little tutorial, quick tip on how to use our Stampin' Up's Gilded Leafing Flakes today. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to help me grow my channel, and take a look at my blog over at terryscraftroom.com and sign up for my newsletter. You have a wonderful day. Bye!